is Vincent Karanja from RefHub Limited. RefHub Limited is an IT assets disposition services company, and we enable business to manage the life cycles of their retired IT assets by way of resale, repairs, and recycling. The primary thing that needs to be done to reduce e-waste in our sector is to sensitize businesses in adopting circular economy practices in their business models, because that's where a ton of e-waste comes from. And when they do that, they'll be able to know how to deal with their retired IT assets for our case, and thus help reduce e-waste that comes from their business operations. Experience with the program so far has been great. Just getting to interact with my peers in the cohort and exchanging insights on our different businesses in advocating for circularity in the industry. And what has stood out for me so far is just getting our business model validated, our practices validated, so that we are able to deliver our services better to our customers, so that we are better placed in the sector, and also do so with a sense of purpose. I would say the main lesson we've learned as a business is getting to assess our current reality in terms of our business model, looking at circular economy practices out there. And the implementation for that is getting to strategize better so that we are able to drive the circularity agenda forward as we work to achieve our vision as a business. We have gotten valuable insights, knowledge, and skills from Growth Africa from this accelerator program that will help us manage and run our business better. And we would like to thank Growth Africa and all the partners involved for this opportunity to participate in the program, and keep it going. My advice to other entrepreneurs in the circular economy industry would be to keep striving to achieve your goals, because it's a relatively young industry and there's a whole lot to be done towards achieving sustainability development goals as well as circularity objectives.